In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a new thread in Perplexity AI. By the end, you'll feel confident opening a clean conversation and asking exactly what you want to know without any leftover context getting in the way. First, open your Perplexity account. You can do this in your browser or the mobile app. Being in your account helps keep your conversations organized and easy to revisit later. Once you're on the home screen, you're ready to begin. Next, click the New Thread icon to open a fresh conversation. This is your reset button. Starting a new thread gives you a blank canvas, meaning the assistant won't carry over any context from past chats. It's perfect when you're switching topics or want to explore a new idea from scratch. When you tap or click New Thread, you'll land in a clear workspace that's designed for queries and interaction, with nothing influencing the answers except what you're about to ask. Now, direct your attention to the search bar. This is where you enter your questions or the things you want to learn. Type your query in natural language, just as you would ask a knowledgeable colleague. The clearer you are, the better the results. Include key details that matter, like the goal you have, the format you prefer, or any constraints such as timelines or tools. If you're comparing options, name them. If you want a quick overview, say so. And if you're looking for depth, mention that you'd like a detailed explanation. Think of the search bar as a conversation starter. A precise prompt sets the tone for a helpful, focused reply. Remember, a new thread is ideal when your question is unrelated to your previous conversation or when you want to avoid earlier context steering the answer. If you stay on the same topic, you can keep building within the same thread. But when you pivot to something different, opening a new one keeps everything tidy and accurate. After you've entered your question, give the assistant a moment to respond. You'll receive an answer tailored to your prompt, and you can continue the conversation right there, refining or expanding your query as needed. If the response sparks a completely new idea, simply start another new thread to keep your topics neatly separated. That's it. Open your account, click New Thread for a clean slate, and use the search bar to ask exactly what you want to know. With these simple actions, you'll get clear, focused results every time.